Hey guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. Today is about feeling rich without having to really be rich. Now this seems silly for some people, but some people really need help to try to feel whole, to try to feel complete where they are in their life. And this is something that I feel like I've honestly mastered. I feel rich, and honestly it came with a lot of work, a lot of hard work, a lot of practicing alchemy, turning your negative aspects of yourself to positive, turning your shadow side into gold, to be honest. So one of the ways that you can do this to feel rich without feeling rich is basically learning compassion for yourself, learning how to accept yourself for who you are. And it can be really hard, especially because we live in a society that teaches us otherwise. You know, we have to buy this to look a certain way, we always have to lose weight, we always have to have a certain status, a certain job, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Learning how to accept yourself without all these outside influences is really how you can be rich in spirit, rich in yourself. So when the riches do come, it doesn't change anything, it's just an added bonus. So one of the ways is being patient with yourself, pacing yourself, learning to be your own best friend. So not policing yourself so much, not taking life too serious, not beating yourself up in ways. So if you mess up, learn from that. Say, I got this, I can keep going. Being your best friend, being nice to yourself ultimately. And honestly, so when you have all these aspects of yourself that are deemed bad, I always say that you form this split in yourself when you don't accept your bad aspects. So you have to learn how to accept all of you, even your negative traits, and that is how you essentially become whole, how you feel better about yourself and your situation. It's okay to not be content with the outside world, but you always have to make yourself priority, make yourself the constant. So meaning you understand as a fact that you are worthy, no matter what, no matter what's on the outside, no matter if you have money or you don't have money. So again, it takes a lot of practice. It's not going to happen overnight for some people. For some people, you are very blessed to have been taught this lesson from a very young age. But again, it's patience, embracing who you are unapologetically, speaking your mind, knowing that you are worthy enough where you are. Understand that you're here for a reason. Nothing is a coincidence. So yeah, that's one of the ways that you can feel rich without being rich. Start trying to accept yourself today. Self-love is the best love. So honestly, make yourself the priority. Wake up and say, what do I want to do today? What do I need to get done? Honestly, put your passions first. It's not about money. It's not about success. Success is what you make it. Your life is what you make it. Rich is what you make it. Bob Marley himself has said, he's rich in spirit. He wasn't a rich man outside per se, but he still had the effect of touching millions of people around him just by being himself, and so can you. Just honor who you are today. Don't be afraid, don't be scared. Wake up, do what you need to do what you have to get done, but in your way. So yeah, be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.